To start with our beautiful necklace, what we're going to have to do is make these rosettes in which the chain goes into. First thing I'm going to do is grab my 4-in-1 tool and one of the 8mm jump rings. Go ahead and open that up using my fingernail and the 4-in-1 tool. I'm going to go ahead and slide on another 8mm. I want to attach those 2 jump rings to make the rosette. Using a 3rd jump ring, what you want to do is go ahead and slide it in the open space where the 2 jump rings meet. Once I have those in that space, you can go ahead and close. And now I've created a rosette. Now you just repeat. To start assembling my necklace, I have my wire with a crimping tube on it. I'm going to feed that right through the middle of one of the rosettes that I made. Take that extra wire from the end, load it right back through that crimp tube. I'm going to grab my 4-in-1 tool. Right above the cutting area is where I'm going to be putting pressure on that crimp tube to seal it tight. I've got the makings of my first part of my necklace. Once I've threaded a large cone onto that beading wire, see how it covers up my crimp tube? Now I can go ahead and start beading. If you do have some remainder, you can certainly cut it off, but I can also cover that up with some beads. So the pattern for this necklace is a pearl, a metal disc, a blue stone, a metal disc, and then I go ahead and repeat. So I finished the other side with a large cone and that same rosette from the other side. Now it's time to attach the chain. I've cut 4 6-inch lengths of chain for this one side, and I have 1/2 of it loaded on a jump ring along with a secondary 6mm jump ring. I'll show you that is a shortcut in just a second. So I've loaded them all up here, and I'm using my 4-in-1 tool kind of make sure that that end doesn't go anywhere. And now what I want to do is go ahead and load all 4 of these ends into the center of the rosette. So if I lift this end of the loose up and I lift the rosette up, if I let gravity do its job, I can feed those 4 loose ends of that chain right through that rosette and pull. And now I'm able to attach the other loose ends to the jump ring. I like to use my jump ring as my fingers. It makes it a whole lot easier to pick up the other end of the chain. Again, using gravity as my friend, I'm loading all of those loose on there, and now it's time to close up that jump ring. Now to finish off this edge of the necklace, I'm going to go ahead and add a 4mm jump ring. Open that up. Load one of my toggle clasps onto it and attach both of those to the 6mm jump ring. Close that up. And I've completed this side of the necklace. Now I just need to finish doing the other side, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. And these are matching earrings. You certainly can change up the style if you'd like, but I think it's a wonderful addition to have any matching earring that you can possibly have. So it goes pearl, metal, then blue, then metal, and then a pearl to finish. I'm then going to open up the end of an ear dangle, load on the other dangle I've just made, re-rotate it, and now I have matching earrings. I'm going to go finish up the second one. Another Simply Beads has come to an end, but this Sea Breeze necklace really turned out beautiful. I feel so accomplished, and it's a wonderful asset to my personal jewelry stash. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a wonderful day.